Hi everyone, welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orsi, aka Rocky. I'm the founder and head teacher of Phoenix Vocal Studio. I'm also a certified mindset and vocal coach, which means as a mindset and vocal coach, I do not work only the physiology of your voice, but the effect of singing on your mind, soul, and on your body. So my approach is quite holistic, which means I look at the whole picture when you come to me. So if you're interested in singing lessons, you can find the link below the video, phoenixvocalstudio.com. Or if you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can also join our membership site, which is called Phoenix. Phoenix is basically an online voice development platform for singers and singers-to-be. But if you want to know more information about the lessons or the membership site, you can find both links below the video. So today I'm going to talk about another amazing performance by Dimash, which you guys sent me. It's called Stranger. So I'm not gonna talk, let's do it.
Новая песня. Примеры. In a stranger's land.
Somewhere in my heart, in ancient times, I wonder.
In a stranger's land.
Wow, I literally felt like that I was mesmerized. I wanted to, obviously stop here and there just to talk about it, but I just couldn't. I felt like that I want to listen it till the end. I heard at least I don't know 6 different sound, and it's incredible. Always tell that the way he builds the song, it's just perfect. It's just so incredible, great. It's slowly, even if he sings quietly, could be the male sound or the female sound, operatic or modern. He knows how to control the quiet sound. It's still all coming through, and then he goes to the next step a little bit more. He knows exactly how much he gives. We have when we learn to sing, we make that mistake that we want to show everything immediately, and we start like here, up there, and we don't know where to go. If we start up there, where are you going to go at the end? And he's very clever, very smart, because he's not in a hurry, he's not in rush. That's the thing, because everyone wants to show now I can do this, let me show you how to do this, and it's just too much, it becomes too much. But he takes time, because when he sings, we just like this. And obviously, who would leave the room when he hasn't finished yet? But that's the thing, he also teaches how to wait, how to be patient. It's incredible, because obviously patience is a big illness of the current world. We want everything now, immediately. Yeah. And when he sings, when he does this, he actually starts the song slowly, takes the time, step by step, and beautiful cathartic moment in the end. Absolutely amazing. He used again many different sound: operatic, modern sound, male, female, head voice, falsetto, whistle voice, belting, and sometimes in the middle when he goes into that mid-high range. When he does this very sharp sound, it's a sound that usually could be we need to be careful, because it could be an annoying sound, a too sharp sound. But when he does it, it's just, I don't know, it's great to hear. And that's why you can see the difference when the soul coming through, the heart coming through that voice. When the soul coming through that voice, it could be any sound. It's good to listen. and I had actually more. You know what? And there was one thing at the end. It's not even Dimash, it's the audience. I can see that they are standing there with the phone, and I understand they want to record the moment, but this is so, it's not good. When you listen, when you just focus on the phone like that, you cannot experience the actual, the present moment. The stupid phone takes the experience away from the moment. You are not living the moment. You are not living. You are not watching him. You're watching him through the screen. And it's not gonna be the same, even if you take it home. Look at that, watch it. It's not the same. When you are there, when you have a chance to watch, to listen to him and watch him live, for the love of God, it's my opinion, but please put that phone away and just listen and watch. Because that moment, that experience, it's gonna worth 100 million times more than when you watch it back on your phone. Live in the moment. So thank you very much for sending me this video. That was a pleasure again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, if you want to see more, feel free to subscribe, or if you have any questions, please post below the video. If you're interested in singing lessons, you can go to phoenixfocusstudio.com, or if you want to join our membership site, find both link below the video and find out more information about that. Thank you very much. God bless you all, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.